morning, children, and it's a pleasure teaching you math once again. And what are we going to do today? We are going to revise, that's review of greater than, less than, equal to, addition and subtraction. You've grown into little big children, isn't it? Why am I saying little big children? Because you have grown a little older, and now it's time for you to go to high school. To school, in fact, I wouldn't call it high school, but to school. So, first we will revise greater than, less than and equal to, okay? And you are quite familiar with this. Now, let's see, when we are talking of greater than, what will we do? We will have the fish's mouth open towards greater than. So here's the fish's mouth. I'm drawing the fish. Yes. And it is open. Can you see this? It is open towards the greater number. And less than, the fish's mouth will be open towards the greater number, but we normally write it this way. Can you see? This is the sign for less than. Okay? So now we are going to work out some sums. Let's see. Supposing I had number 9 and number 4. And I have to put the sign greater than, less than or equal to. When we are counting, we find that 4 comes before 9, so 4 is smaller. I'm going to put 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I'll put 9 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which has more, 9 or 4? So 9 has more. So where will I keep the Machikamu open? It will be near 9. And how do I write it? I write it like a 7. Okay? So 9 is greater than 4. Now let's take another example. 16 and 12. When we get a number with 2 digits, we look at the first one. The first one has 1. What does this have? This has 1. Now let's go to the second number. What number is this? 6. So I will put 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is number 2. So I will put 2 dots. Now which number is greater? 6 or 2? So 6 is greater. So this total becomes 16. 16 is greater than 12. So the fish's mouth is open over here. We'll do another example to revise. Supposing this number is 12 and this number is 18. Here again I look at the first number, this is 1 and this is 1. Then I go to the second number, this is 2, so I'll put 2 dots, this is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. Now let's look at this. This is 2 dots, this is 8 dots. So which one is greater? The one with 8. And what number is this? 18. 18 is greater than 12, or I will say 12 is less than 18. So which side will the Machikamu be open? It will be next to 18. So how do I write it? I write it like an L, a big case L. I'll do another sum with you. If this is 24 and this is 21, again we are looking at both the numbers. The first two numbers are the same. I look at the second number. I'll put how many dots? 4 dots. How many dots here? 1. Which one is greater? The one with 4 dots is greater, so 24 is greater than 21. So my machika move will be open next to 24. So I write it like a 7. Okay? We'll do 2 more examples. If this is 21 and this is 42, we have to look at the first number. What number is this? 2. So how many dots will I put here? 2. 1, 2. This is the first number. How many dots will I put here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number is greater? 2 or 4? 4 is greater. So where will the machika move be open? Next to 4. And I'll write it like an L. Okay? Another sum where I will write 28 and here I am writing 16. Let's look at the first number. The first number is 2, so 2 dots. The first number is 1, 1 dot. Come along, tell me fast now. Is 2 bigger than 1? Yes. So where will the machika move come? Next to 2. So I will write it like a 7. So 28 is greater than 16. 2 more examples and we are done with greater than, less than. So here this is 42 and this is 24. Now here you have to be very careful. Okay? If this, look at the first one, 4 and 2, and this one is 2 and 4. So which number is greater? 4 is greater or 2 is greater? Can you tell me? 4 is greater, yes. So I will write it like a 7. Now this is another one that I am doing. This is say 31 and this is 13. You have to be very careful here. You have to look at the first number. This number is 3. This first number is 1. So which is greater? 3 is greater than 1. So I will put it this way. Okay? Now let us check these 2 numbers. Let's look at the first number. The first number is 8. What's the second number? First number here? 8. Are they the same? So what sign will I put? Equal to. Now the next one. Let's look at the first number. It's 2. Second number is 1. 2, 1, 21. What number is this? 1, 2, 12. Are they the same? Look at it properly. You can see 2 and 1 here and you can see 1 and 2 here. So will I say they are the same? They are not the same. So which one is greater? 2 is greater than 1. So I will do the machika move next to 21. 68 and this is 6868. Let's read this number. 6868. This is 6868. Are they the same? Yes. So what will I put? Equal to. So children, we've just seen, I showed you the trick of how to find out which is the greater number by looking at the first number, by putting dots on top, see which one has more dots, and then you will know which is the greater number and which is the lesser number. Okay? Now we are going to do some sums on addition. So now children, we are going to do addition. Okay? Now look at this side. It's plus and this is plus. We look at the top number. How many? What number is this? This is number 4. So how many lines will I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look at this. What number is this? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to count because there is a plus sign. All together, how many lines have I drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where will I write 7? I must write 7 under 3. So here is 7. Okay? Now let's look at this. What number is this? 6. So how many lines will I draw here? How many lines? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is this? 4. What sign is this? Plus. How many lines will I draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where will I write 10? I'll write it under 4. Okay? So we've revised addition. Now while we are at this, you remember by telling you to any number, if I add 1, you have to say the next number. Now if I say 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1. So how many do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what did I tell you? You must say the next number. I said 5 plus 1. What comes after 5? 6. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now you are going to tell me. 8 plus 1. Loud. I can't hear you. Louder. How much is 8 plus 1?
9.
That's it. Now if I say 5 plus 1. Come
6.
on. Good. Now if I say 20 plus 1.
21.
Good. Now if I say 60 plus 1.
61.
Alright. Now if I say 28 plus 1.
29.
Very good. So you understood how to give me the next number if I add 1 to a particular number. Now if I add 0 to that number, supposing I have 4 plus 0, I will say 4. 5 plus 0, so I will say 5. Now I'm going to ask you, 10 plus 0,
10.
that's it. 21 plus 0,
21.
good. 16 plus 0.
16.
Now I'm going to mix up 1 and 0 and let me see if you can answer, okay? 13 plus 1.
32.
Wrong. 13 plus 1. How much is it?
40.
Yes. Now, 28 plus 1.
29.
Alright. And 40 plus 0?
40.
That's it. Good. I'll give you a duck clap. Quack, 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 quack. And a clap. Yes. Now we will do minus. Okay? You remember my teaching you that rule? How to do minus sums? Very easy. Easy peasy, as you say. Supposing I have 3, this is minus sign, minus 2. Okay? So what will I do? I have 3 on top, so I will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. This side you must be very alert and look at this side. What sign is this? Take away. Minus. How many am I going to minus or take away? 2. So I am taking away 1, 2. How many are left? Just 1. Where will I write 1? I'll write it under 2. So here's 1. We'll do another sum. 6 minus 5. How many lines will I draw? You must look at the top number. Okay? How many lines will I draw? You will draw? How many lines?
6.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what sign is this? Can you tell me? What sign is it?
Minus.
Yes. And how many will I minus? The
5.
next 5. So let's cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many lines are left? Just 1. Yes. And where will I write 1? I will write it under 5. Okay? Now, so you've understood minus, we've revised it. Now again I'll give you that trick that I taught you for addition. When I add one number to a given number, you have to say the next number. But now I'm doing take away, okay? So from 5, if I take away 4, how much? From 5, if I take away 1, how much will I have? I'll have 4. So you must give me the number that comes before it. Okay? Now 9 take away 1. What comes before 9? 8. So 9 take away 1, 8. Now 8 take away 1. What comes before 8? What comes before 8? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I put my wrong finger up. Just look at Katie auntie. Once again, 8 take away 1. So how many fingers will I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, 19 take away 1. Quick, give me the answer. What comes before 19?
80.
Yes. Now 30 take away 1. What comes before 30?
29.
Yes, you remember that counting that I taught you? 100, 99, 90, 89. So 20, 19. Okay, 30 minus 1. Quick.
29.
Yes. So you've understood this? When we take away 1. Now, I'm going to teach you when you take away 0. From any number, you take away 0. For take away means minus. So, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'm not taking away anything. So, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'll write 4 down. Okay? So, when we have 5 fingers and I don't take away anything, how many fingers will remain? 5. Now, let me see if you can say it fast. 9 take away 0.
9.
Yes. 20 take away 0.
20.
Yes. 10 take away 0.
10.
Yes. 100 take away 0.
100.
That's it. So you've understood this? So we've learned greater than, less than, equal to, addition, subtraction. I taught you the trick also of when we add 1 or when we add a 0 or when we take away 1 or we take away 0 from a given number, how to work it out fast. Okay? Now you're becoming smart in mathematics. Good. So see you then next time. Bye. Parents, if you like my video and if you really like them very much, please don't forget to press the bell icon and to subscribe, and of course I'd like to hear your comments too. So see you next time. Bye.